Hey everyone, today I want to show you how we can create this new Next.js app with a modern stack using this T3 app framework and deploy that to your own server using $deploy. So what I already did is that I created the app on the GitHub. It's open, it's just recently created. I used these things what I like is Next.js, TypeScript, Tailwind, Prisma, NextAuth. And I will gonna go and deploy this app to the DigitalOcean server I'll create with $deploy, and it will running in the cloud. So we go to the $deploy site and we get started. We go to the server side, host side, and we create a new server. So it's just kind of a blank server thing. And what I will do this provision, create a new server on DigitalOcean. And I will select this 1 CPU, 2 GB of RAM in Germany, and using this Ubuntu 24.04. And using this SSH key I already have in the $deploy. So now it's ready to be created. So I will create now. And so you can see how this process is going. It will take some time because DigitalOcean needs to create a new server. Yeah, so while we go, we can take a look at this T3 app, and this is actually it's already running on my computer. So it's what is this T3 app? It's a set of templates, really good structure of the app, easy to use. You can get things running really quickly. You can take a look at that. Is that basically there's everything here. Yeah. There's like a server side, authentication setup, schema, Prisma for working with PostgreSQL database, which we can also provide with $deploy. So let's check. Okay, so the server was created. We need to now run prepare so we can get HTTPS, Nginx, and all the updates installed. The host actually kind of like takes a bit more because the DigitalOcean kind of needs some bit of a time to create that server. We can also assign, we will need a Postgres because we can set up this with T3 app, but we want a Postgres. And we will go and create our own app. It's really simple. We take this URL and we go to the $deploy and we create add app. We say T3 test. Next, we put the URL. We don't need to do anything else because it will automatically detect things. And what we can need to do is we need to select this this host. Yes, this one, and we select the $deploy. When you provision a host with it, automatically makes you with DNS records. You pass the environment variables. So it's really easy with $deploy. You just pass it here in the name field, and it will automatically populate all the data here. So now the app is configured, it's ready to run. Let's test it. Then now we can deploy this to this host what we have. If you click on that host, you see this host configured, but of course there's no apps running. So now it's getting built. Kind of like install the dependencies, build the package, create the optimized build. It uses Next.js. Make sure that things running right. Now it's created this package. Okay, so it created the package in 42 seconds, 30 megabytes, and now it installs the app to this server. So it should be live on that address, by that server. Now it uses Next.js Let's Encrypt to create the create a certificate. downloads the build and installs the NVM Node.js and makes the app, runs the app. Okay, what's going on? Okay, we created the app. Okay, so now it should be running. Let's check it out. Yes, now we have this app running in our server. It took 44 seconds. Next time it would be a bit faster. What we can also do, and we go to the server, we have this Postgre running here. We can also run Redis and we can also run the $deploy agent, which will create these metrics here. So that's really quick, but we have created this app. You can check this template. It's basically everything I just generated, like nothing have been changed from the template. You just set the app variables here, which is appropriate to deploy to your own server, and now I have it running. So, and you can connect to the GitHub, and after that, every time you push to repository, it will be deployed. That's it. Thank you, and enjoy using T3 app and the $deploy and deploy to your own servers.